across the entire economy, really, you can find better, cheaper, cleaner, greener, more productive, more efficient in a lot of sectors. So take healthcare, for example. It's not your pure play of climate action or green technology, but as a sustainable business advantage driver, it doesn't get much more compelling in this sector with things like saving lives, improving the efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare delivery, reducing the inefficiencies of hospital readmissions and misdiagnoses. You can build a diversified portfolio that addresses some of these critical needs. And these needs are all related to sustainability, and our sustainability challenges are not getting any easier. So these are some of the most compelling investment opportunities in any asset class, in any sector, the companies that are really leveraged to these sustainability opportunities. We know that one of the key themes at COP26 is to mobilize finance, both public and private. It's now over 5 years since the Paris Agreement, and we're focused on 1.5 degrees Celsius in global warming, which really requires net zero in the next 30 years. So we'll be looking for more details around those nationally determined goals to help get us there. Clearly, those will be big signals to mobilize finance. And as much as we want governments to create the right demand and the price signals and a good market environment for those much needed climate solutions, governments also need to hear from businesses and investors that we're ready to bring technology and finance to the table. So we expect more companies to be making commitments that we'll really look at in terms of their robustness. And we're also looking to help adapt to the global warming that is going to happen. And we need frameworks that mobilize solutions to and investment vehicles that can really protect some of our biggest natural carbon sinks as well, grasslands, peatlands, tropical and old growth forests, because we all depend on nature, whether it's for the packaging around your holiday shopping that you're going to be doing this year, or whether it's biodiversity for healthcare and vaccine innovations.